This general conference cum literary meet, it's a blend of education and culture. Education gives us the ability to think. Culture gives us the wisdom to think wisely. Education plus culture brings out character. And it is the character of an individual that defines him. It is the character built through the combination of education and through his culture that makes him a good citizen, having good values, morals, and good judgment. Today, in our society, we don't just need highly educated people. We need educated people with empathy. We need ambition along with responsibility. We need businessmen along with ethics. We need officers along with integrity. We need doctors, lawyers, engineers having effectiveness but also the dedication to serve the society. And I'm sure programs like these, conferences like these are guiding light, are the pathways which guide you towards the correct path, which show you the way forward, which show you the way ahead, what you have to achieve in life. It is very easy to get distracted in today's world. Technology is outpacing us so fast. Today it is very easy to get drowned in the world of reels and shorts and YouTube videos. And very easily we can lose our focus. Very easily we can go down the wrong path. Very easily we can come into contact with negative people, those who are not following the right path, those who are on illegal means, criminal ways. So it is very easy to fall prey to these kind of things. But it is events like these, programs like these, platforms like these, which through debates, through talks, through cultural performances, showcases our true values and brings us towards the correct path. So I once again congratulate for not just hosting the program, but for making it an event where the youth can channelize their energy towards the correct means and towards the correct ways. As the Superintendent of Police of Senapati district, I also want to focus upon the collective responsibility that we have. Police and community, when they join hands together, we can tackle challenges and we can overcome challenges that have long troubled us and that have the potential to corrupt the society, to destroy the youth. All over the world today, lots of challenges we are facing, and our society, our district is not immune to those challenges. Our society is facing one of the greatest challenges of drug abuse. Our youth, our children, it is not just their individual lives that is destroyed, but it is their families, their relatives, their friends, and the entire society which get affected because of drug abuse and substance abuse. In this fight, it is not just the police department, but it is the responsibility of our parents, teachers, principals, church leaders, society elders, student bodies, civil society organizations. When all of us join hands together, I have no doubt in my mind we can eradicate this menace of drugs from our society. Today, I exhort you to go and educate your family and friends regarding this menace. Today you may not feel the pinch, but after 10 years, after 20 years, you will definitely see and repent what have we done if we do not take steps timely and in the right direction. So, dear students, teachers, principals and colleagues and dear citizens of Senapati, I wish that one day we can proudly say that we have fought and won this fight against drug menace. The General Conference is coming to an end, and indeed it has showcased the motto of PNTM, labor and honor. The two words, labor. You see, organizing such a program, it takes lots of efforts, lots of coordination, and I am sure the team has dedicated nights and days for making this a grand success. And the second word in the motto, honor. If a life is not lived honorably, is it worth living at all? So I want you to think, pause in your routine, whatever you are doing, going to school, college, job, business, running shops, just take out some time and think. Think deeply about this question. What are we doing in our life and where are we heading as a society? And in that, as an individual, as a responsible citizen, what can I do? Even a small step can create a butterfly effect. Even one individual can change the whole district, can change the whole society. To conclude, this conference and this event will inspire generations to uphold the ideals of unity, learning, and cultural ethos. This conference will guide you in the days to come, in the years to come. Success and failure does not mean much. We either win or we either learn. Failure is just a stepping stone towards success. My dear students and youth of Senapati, I urge you to work hard, to persevere, to focus on the right things in life. And I'm sure one day you will stand on the dais and people will listen and people will clap for you and they will appreciate your hard work and your talent. I have met so many people here in Senapati, so many students. They are full of talent, lots of talent, but you must have heard that phrase, talent, hard work beats talent when talent does not work hard. Right? Hard work beats talent when talent does not work hard. So you have to channelize your talent. Success is not an overnight event. It is a hard fought battle of long days and nights when you are toiling alone in your rooms, in your houses, in the library, on the streets, in the stadiums, in the colleges, schools. That success comes when nobody is watching you, but you are dedicated to your task, you are dedicated to your target, and you want to achieve that. So, on behalf of Senapati Police and on behalf of my entire team, I wish you all the best, and I sincerely hope that all of us reach greater heights. The next General Conference is even a bigger event, and I wish all of you good health, prosperity, and lots of blessings in life. Thank you and God bless you all.